at a store with this huge ass chair. It is so big. Look at it. Thing is huge. It's not even as big as me. I think. As tall as it. This thing is huge. I'm gonna sit in it. Wow. 6 freaking cup holders. 6. 6. Price is only, let's see. Not bad. $69.99. $70. Not bad. Only got a couple left. It's so embarrassing. Dad said this chair was only for fat people. And when we were walking out the store a couple weeks ago, there's this really huge guy having this chair. He actually had 3. Yeah. 3. Sorry. 3 chairs. Oh my god. Huge ass. Look at it. Ugh. Makes me sad. Hey, Dad! Hold on. I gotta ask him. Can we get this chair? And, yep, he said no. So, I'm gonna sit in this chair, relax. Yeah. Oh, that is comfortable.